Hello my feral friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Panthera, and I'm the Feralwood Witch. Today, I'm going to be taking you along with me as I prepare my altar for Litha for the Summer Solstice. We're going to be redecorating the whole altar, giving it a nice cleanse, and choosing some new decorations, crystals, you know, just the stuff to help get us in the mood for summer. First, I'm going to be giving my altar a nice cleaning, both physically and spiritually, of course. I actually use charged cleaning products in most of my spiritual spaces, including this wood polish here. My altar is just an antique dresser that I found at a local thrift store. I absolutely love it. I picked out the knobs myself and added those, and I just want to help keep it in the best possible condition. And now for the spiritual cleanse. I am just going over this with a nice sandalwood incense, just to kind of help clear the space. I haven't been in the best mood lately, and I just really wanted to be thorough in this cleansing process for a nice clean slate as we move forward into summer, which is my favorite. I love using textiles or cloths on my altars. I think that it just picks up the tones in the wood really well. I get a lot of my fabrics at Joann's. So these are either scrap fabrics, or I just get like a half or a quarter yard of something that looks beautiful to me. I like to choose colors that correspond with the seasons during this time. So here you see lots of greens as well as yellows, that kind of orangey pinky salmon color. I just really wanted to bring in warmth and growth. Most of my items that I use on my altar I've been collecting over several years. Some of these are items that I've gotten from as gifts or just since I was young, like our Anubis statue there. I got it at a museum when I was very young. I love the salt lamps. They remind me of warmth in the sun, so I have lots of salt candles and salt lamps here. Lots of spaces for candles for light and vases to bring in fresh flowers. The majority of the crystals I'm going to be using in this altar are corresponding either with the season or just with what I'm working with during this time. So you'll notice a lot of fire crystals and a lot of protection crystals. I do like to use faux flowers on a lot of my altars as I can reuse them year to year. I get most of mine from just the dollar store. They have a great selection if you get there early enough for each season. You can see I got frustrated with these, so I just started pulling the tops off, but I like how it looks better anyways. In addition to crystals, I actually just have a lot of rocks that I like to charge on my altar. I use them for protection around the house. This is a great option if you don't have access to crystals near you, or ethically sourced crystals, or if you just don't have the extra money to spend on crystals. A standard rock does great. And this month I'm choosing to work a little more closely with my fox spirit, so that's why you see him centered here. And of course, needed to go get a little bit of fresh flowers from the garden. Here, these are some lilies and some snapdragons that I've collected. I also realized that my salt lamp over in the corner must have a bulb burned out, so that's fun. But time to light everything up. And of course, need to put our little mead offering there for the sun. And our final touch, changing our wheel. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the final product of the altar. Thank you all so much for coming along with me today. I'm really happy with how this altar came out. I love the pieces of light, of warmth. I love the naturalness of the bones, the pelts, and the flowers. I'm just really happy with the symmetry and non-symmetry that are here on this particular altar. I'll definitely be doing a lot of workings here this month.